Good morning, bright and early. Welcome to this day trip adventure. I'm at Bamford Edge in the Peak District. Managed to get a few hours here. So what can I do in a couple of hours in the Peak District? I think it's a walk to Bamford Edge. So I'm in New Road. You can park your car on the road here. Just tuck it away, tuck the wing mirrors in. Free parking. And then a short walk up to Bamford Edge. So I've got here bright and early. It's like not quite 7:30 yet, and I'm hoping to get some lovely footage. It's going to be a clear sky, so I'm going to get sunrise hopefully on Bamford Edge. It's on a weekday, so I'm not expecting huge crowds. The weekend I think gets really busy here, so if you can go on a weekday, so much the better. You already get the views, look at that. And then you can see the sunrise is coming over the brow of the hill. It's so worth getting out of bed early. It is a sacrifice sometimes, you feel a bit tired later on, but look at this. Well worth it. And this is the beginning of the footpath up to Bamford Edge. There's two paths here, but I'm taking the one that's going straight up to Bamford Edge. Got the whole place to myself. If you like this sort of video, please subscribe. On Day Tripper I go on an adventure every week. It can be hiking, it can be camping, stealth camping, some outdoor cooking, that sort of thing. But it's all about new experiences, exploring new places, if that's the sort of thing you're interested in. So I'd love to have you on board, and then you can come on these adventures as well. Maybe get some ideas of your own, and then become a true day tripper. We don't get these clear days all the time, so when we do, we really enjoy them. But if we got them every time, it perhaps wouldn't be quite as special. Today it's beautifully clear, I can see for miles. I'm really looking forward to the view at the top from here. Which one now? They both go to the top, but this one looks a bit more interesting through the heather. Or should I take the main path? I think I'll take the one through the heather. Sunrise at Bamford Edge. Sun's coming up now on Bamford Edge, on the heather. Panoramic views. Look at that majestic sight. Another day. Absolutely glorious up here. Look at that. That's got to be a photo, hasn't it? This is it, the famous Bamford Edge. Look at these rocks. Absolutely amazing. I'm going to walk along and show you the reservoir. One tip I learned is you get many sunrises if you keep going down dips, and then the sun rises again. So there's more than one sunrise in a day. So I'm hoping to get the other sunrise down here on this large outcrop. Hopefully get some drone footage up here. This is dramatic now. There's the sunrise again. Amazing sunrise. These amazing rocks. Sunrise at Bamford Edge didn't disappoint. Absolutely fantastic. It's only 8:30. It's not taking me all day. In fact, it's taking me an hour just to do this and all this filming. So now I'm heading back down. It's absolutely amazing. Shame to leave here, but very special to get here for sunrise. It's the best time of the day, isn't it? I think sunrise. Some say sunset, but sunrise, there's much fewer people around because not so many people like to get up so early. Really appreciate you watching these videos and commenting. It's like having you on the journey. It's funny, it's like I come on these adventures, I'm on my own but not on my own, because you're watching and sharing the experience. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. So I'd like to thank you again for joining this one. I will see you next time. So thanks for watching and bye for now.